Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat. Aking amigo, amiga. Sana ay nasa mabuti pong kalagayan everyone po. So, sa ngayon atong talakayan, pakinggan po natin ating bagong Senate President of the Philippines na si walang iba kundi si Gatchalian po. So, pakinggan natin ang kanyang what you call message po for
This will be
today.
very difficult. The space will be very difficult. But we'll try our best to accommodate everyone. Ang importante naman, safe, maayos, at orderly conduct ng impeachment. Sorry? Wala pa kaming final number, but not so much, no? Kasi dito lang naman yung gaganapin. Ang nakikita ko lang added cost yan will be probably additional security or parang kanya-kanyang dala eh. Alam ko eh, kanya-kanyang dala. No?
So maraming dala po.
Ang maganda yung venue dito eh. So hindi naman magiging magastos.
Nausap for the impeachment, preps ay AFP, PNP.
Kasi may Marines tayo dito. We have a Marine contingent. We have 20 plus Marine contingent here. So dapat coordinated. So kahapon, if may nag-picture yata kahapon. So hindi lang naman Marines, andun ng MMDA, Pasay LGU, NICA, PNP, AFP.
So, kompleto po ang kanyang sa military security
So
po.
marami sila.
Yun nga,
Marami.
bakit security forces, sir, yung kinausap niyo for impeachment preps?
Well, we have to admit that the personalities involved are political entities or political personalities. So we have to make sure na covered ang security aspect nitong impeachment proceedings. And like I said, very limited in space. Ang constraint kasi dito space eh. So inuna na namin i-meet itong logistics and security aspects.
Comment lang sa sinabi ni Senator Ping Lacson na umabot daw ng 700 million yung nalustay in the past weeks. Dahil doon sa mga nangyaring kaguluhan, walang nag-boycott sa session, walang hearings, paano nyo po babawiin yung lost time?
Well, kinumpute namin ang budget ng Senado per day is about 24 million, no? Almost 25 million, no? Just to operate the Senate. The Senate is a big institution. We have 2,000 people, may isang building tayo. So, if you count those days, those are the days na naging unproductive. Kaya nasabi ko nga in one of our press cons na sayang yung pera na ibinibayad ng tao sa sweldo, sa kuryente. So, babawiin naman natin yan in the next few days. So, we'll go back down to work.
Babawiin ulit po ang gasto ng
season.
yung mga araw na walang trabaho.
Hindi back to school, back to work. Yes? Marami. Yung security, yung schedule, yung outcome ng pre-trial conference. Yung pre-trial conference kasi we're narrowed down also the time. So, gaano kahaba. So, and then it will narrow down also the day itself, kung sinong testigo ang ipepresenta, anong ebidensya ipepresenta. So, lahat yan on a per day nakalatag na yan. So, we will discuss that with the senators. Yes, what do you mean? Also, yeah, I like I said, no, lahat naman ay sa mga nakakausap ko, generally the senators just want to go back to work. And itong impeachment is part of our responsibilities under the Constitution. So it's part of our work.
SP,
Kaya
sir.
magiging dalawa yung trabaho namin, impeachment and legislation.
SP, yung parking ng senators, bakit sarado? Interestingly, bakit po hindi...
Yung sa likod kasi walang x-ray machines, tsaka walang metal detector, So pinag-aaralan pa how to secure that entry. Unlike dito sa harap, may X-ray machines, may metal detector, at mayroong registration ng guest. No? Sa likod, wala eh. So we're studying, Osa is studying kung how to secure that area. So for now, close siya. Tingnan namin kung kaya maglagay ng mga metal detectors and X-ray para lahat ng dumadaan. Meron din dadaan din sa same security protocols. In other, marami kami napuntahan na halls of parliament. Napaka-strict kahit na Speaker of the House or Leader of the Parliament dumadaan sa security protocols. So, because marami tayong pinag-uusapan na very...
Yan po ang balita regarding po sa ating bagong Senate President of the Philippines po. Again, thank you sa lahat. Sa balita ito, yan po ang interview ng GMA News po kay bagong Senator ng Pilipinas at bagong Senate President of the Philippines. Again, thank you sa lahat. Mag-ingat. God bless everyone po. Bye-bye po. Again, ingat.